Hello, in front of me I've got CS2. In this video I'll show you how to create custom Crosshair. In the beginning, let's go to Play and go to Workshop Maps. Make sure you've got Workshop Maps enabled in the game settings. Next, go to Play, View, Workshop, and go to Most Subscribed. Here, download Crashz Crosshair generator. Subscribe it, and then enter the map. Select terrorist or anti-terrorist. Follow the tutorial, jump to skip. Now, we've got a lot of options here. You can firstly select Crosshair from this menu. Simply shoot it. For beginners, it's better to use bigger crosshairs, because you can see the vertical line next to the head of your enemy. It's easier to aim. Next, you can change crosshair style. Length, thickness, gap, outline, dot, or T-shape. Next, you can follow recoil, enable dynamic gap, change HUD color, change sniper crosshair thickness, show target ID, select warm-up server, and that's basically it. In the end, in this map, you can go here to try the crosshair. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.